are going to look at adding in a hyperlink. Now, hyperlinks can be added in a number of different ways. So if I have an image here, just as an example, the about, I'm going to then link to the about page. So all I do is I type in the about.html, which is the about.html, press enter, which is the page link that I'm linking to. But likewise, you might say you want to go to an external link. So we might say find us on Google. So let's say for argument's sake, I want to turn this into a link. So if I highlight it, so a piece of text, and you'll notice there's a link appearing here. If I click on this here, it says enter link. So www.google.co.uk. There's a good reason this might not work if I press enter. No, it has, that's fine. Okay, so what that's done now is this piece of text now contains a link to Google, and if we just preview this very quickly in Firefox, so we can see this is here. So if I click on this, it's now comes up not found, just because it's trying to go to an external site, not in Dreamweaver. But that there should work to go to another site or an external site. Now, if I just go back for a second, this is the about us link that we made earlier. So if you remember now, if I click on the about, because it's internal to us, it will still work and it'll go to the about us page. Now, the other option you've got, we've already done this with images. So if you do click on the image and you want to add in a link, you can do it there. But also some of these buttons, if you click on a button that you've added in, you can just put the link in the bottom here. This properties window is really useful for you to have open. So if you haven't got this open, click on Windows at the top and then click on properties to make sure you have this properties window there.